Hi, this is the Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So let's open first the settings app and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see the sound and silent modes. You could just select one from this available mode just by select them. In mood mode, you could use also the temporary mode. We could switch ringtone and notification sounds. The system sound section, we could switch the system sound volume just by slide to the left or to the right side this dot. We could switch system sound temp, and to activate and turn off the touch interactions, dial pad sounds, keyboard sounds, charging and screen lock and lock sounds just by click on each of the switchers to activate or turn off these options. Then go back. Here we got volume section, and we could switch the volumes of the ringtones, media, notifications and system sound just by slide to the left or to the right side these dots. We could also use volume buttons for media. When the switcher is turned off, we'll use the volume buttons to change the ringtone. And let's go back. We could also in sound quality and effects change the equalizer to activate and turn the Dolby items, and for gaming, and to use the adapt sound option. And we could also activate or turn off the separate app sound, and in don't disturb mode section we could activate or turn off the don't disturb mode to set the shadow and to allow some calls, messages, notifications and alarms during the don't disturb mode. So that's it. That's all of the sound settings on our Galaxy Tab. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.